Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a devil's chocolate cake. This recipe is actually coming from Eva's kitchen, and I love all of her recipes, especially her desserts, and I'm a big sweetie, so I find them all delicious. So let's get started.
The first thing you're going to need to do is fill a pan or the bottom of a double broiler about a third of the way full with water and bring it to a simmer.
Okay guys, so when you are making your double broiler to melt your chocolate, make sure the water is not touching the bowl and it's just the steam that is melting the chocolate.
From there, you're going to be placing another pan or bowl on top where you're going to be using the steam to melt 3 ounces of unsweetened chocolate. Once it's melted, you can set it aside to cool. From there, we're going to be taking a large mixing bowl and adding 1 stick of room temperature unsalted butter, as well as 2.5 cups of lightly packed brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 3 large eggs. You're going to be beating it on high for about 3 minutes or until the batter is nice and smooth and light in color. This is a great time to give it a little taste because it is just so good. From there, you're going to be able to pour the melted chocolate into the cake batter, keeping your mixer on a low speed until it is combined. Next, sift together 2.5 cups of cake flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. And 3 parts, you're going to be blending the flour mixture and the butter mixture into the cake batter. From there, you're going to be adding 1 cup of boiling water, and you're going to blend it until the batter is really nice and smooth. You don't want it to be chunky at all. Okay, so now it's time to butter and flour your cake pans. From there, you're going to be pouring half of the cake batter into each cake pan and bake in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out nice and clean. Let the cakes cool before frosting is applied. And speaking of frosting, we need to melt some more chocolate. So you'll be melting 4 ounces of unsweetened chocolate in a double broiler just like we did before. And once it is melted, you can set it aside to cool. In a large bowl, you'll then add 4 cups of sifted confectioners sugar, half a cup of hot water, and the melted chocolate. You're going to beat this on medium speed until it is blended, and then you'll add 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend it again for about 2 to 3 minutes until your frosting is thick and fluffy. So getting back to the cakes, you're going to be using a serrated knife and remove the domes on top of the cakes. And once that's done, you can start frosting and decorating. This is really my favorite part because it's the creative part. For this cake, we use some fresh organic raspberries and as well as a little mint. Please let us know how your cake turns out. I hope you love it just as much as we do. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Also, this is an express video, so please leave in the comments below whether you prefer this type of video that's a bit more speeded up or something a bit longer where I'm in it. Thank you guys for watching.